Hello guys, welcome back to Wicked-Whiskers, and if you're new to the channel, give me just 5 minutes of your life and I will teach you how these two tablespoons can help you achieve better shaves, so not even the R41 can damage your skin. So, speaking of that, why I use these 2 tablespoons? Of course, just for illustration, because as you can see, my skin and beard are pretty dry. I never use any pre-shave products for multiple reasons. And I'll be using Proraso Red. As you can see, it's completely dry. So first of all, I will take 1 tablespoon of water and I will pour it into the puck. So the brush is dry, as you can see, so I will just do the swirling until all water is dissipated. So I hope you can see well enough, and in a moment or two, as you can see, I don't see any bubbles in the brush and I don't see anything in the puck as well. So let's use the 2nd tablespoon of water. Again, no gimmicks, no lies, I'm not using anything else. I will take the brush and I will go now a little bit slower, because there will be some sudsy residues. And I will just load the brush with this a little bit more diluted soap. We are at 2 minutes so far. I'm still swirling, and as you can see, the puck is a little bit wet, but most important, this is how the brush is going to look like. This is Yaqi Emerald, by the way, so I would say pretty decent, but not some high grade fancy schmancy kind of brush. And I will speed up this process. As you can see, I have plenty of leather, but this is not the end. This comes the major point where you would need just to re-wet the brush a little bit and add this extra shine to the leather, because after all, the leather is just soap holding water close to your skin and providing you that extra glide and comfort during the shave. So if you can see, it is pretty, I would say, slick, like Greek yogurt. And when you go across the whiskers, you really want consistency of the soap or leather to be such that it is easily coming through all the whiskers. So you don't want that high peaks like patisserie meringue, you know, it's not cake, you're not acting like a Santa Claus, so you just want to have leather driven into your beard, your whiskers, and pretty much close to the skin level. So if you just have painting on the skin and having this like cushion of the leather over your whiskers and not directly driven too close to the skin, you will have a bad time, I guarantee you. For the razor, as I promised, it is R41 with corresponding Muhle blades, which are so good that I decided to save them for special occasions. Here you can see it. And I want to just show you a little bit of blade assembly. 2 days of beard growth, 2 tablespoons of water in the shaving soap, and we will check the results. Okay, for the first pass, as you saw, it was pretty harmless. So let's rinse the razor a little bit. The best proof, you can see how easy it was to rinse. I will now re-wet the face a little bit just to reuse these soapy residues. And I will reapply the lather. I forgot to check how many leftovers I have after R41, but it's not about the closeness of the shave this time, it's just to make you a point on how setting up the good lather at the beginning of the shave can make your life easier. As you can see, the consistency is pretty nice, pretty good. There is still plenty of lather to go. Now, I'm not saying that this is the bulletproof method. It will help you a lot, but it will also depend on the kind of soap which you are using. Of course, the size of the brush. For this Yaqi Night Emerald, 2 tablespoons seems to be as good a ratio. And you won't be having tablespoons in your bathroom all the time and every time. It's just to give you some sense of how much water is actually needed for your preferences. And when you reach that sweet spot, you will probably know it by hand. Okay. So I would say that picture speaks more than just words. So let me wash my face, apply aftershave, and we will see the damage done. So far I cannot identify any nicks, any skin damage. Pimples, moles, everything is still in place. No pre-shave, no pre-shave oils, products, whatever, so just good old trusty Brion to burn the face a little bit. And nothing at all. So, maybe there is some truth in this 2 tablespoons of water, as you can see. No big deal, even with R41. So, leave a comment, tell me what do you think. Is this a good approach? Does it help you? Or maybe you have a better advice for myself. So, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.